If I suddenly had 2 minutes to speak to the entire world, I would say this: a lot can happen in a year. Your life will not be the same a year from now, no matter what you do. And that's a fact. But how it changes, that part is entirely up to you. You have two options in life, whether you realize it or not. You're choosing between them every single day. And option 1 is the safe, comfortable choice, staying exactly where you are. Option 2 is the uncomfortable one, the choice to make a change. Now the reason you're watching this video is probably because you have chosen the option 1 for too long. And I hate to say it to you, but no book, no podcast or motivational quote can do the work for you. If you keep being just the audience to change, the only thing that changes is the entertainment. You have to shift the way you see things before the things you see can change. Here's a simple truth that will completely transform how you think about progress. If you get just 1% better every day for a year, you will end up being 37 times better than when you started. And all it takes is that tiny consistent 1% every single day. And the best part is that it gets easier as you go. But you got to show up every single day. And that's the hard part. Most people quit or never start because the wall that they are trying to climb looks way too high. They are staring at the whole 100% instead of focusing on the next 1%. Taking the first small steps matters, but continuing to take the small steps every day matters even more. Because if you just keep going, you can't fail. So ask yourself, what if you started working on your dream today? What if you took that first step and then just kept showing up? Take 5 minutes today to imagine it. Shut everything off, close your eyes and picture the life that you want. Then start and don't look back. Because it's never too late to change. It's never too late to show up for yourself. You might not be able to rewrite the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. Because believe me, a lot can happen in a year.